How to close Charles Schwab trade. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to close a trade on Charles Schwab, you'll first need to close any open position by selling your asset, then withdraw any remaining cash from your account and transfer or close your account. If you have any open positions, you will need to sell them to close them out. You can do this through the Schwab trading platform either on their website or through their mobile app. Also, if you have option position, you might consider rolling them, closing or opening new ones, rather than completely liquidating them. This can help manage your tax implication and potentially generate income. Also, if you have any open order, you can cancel them through the trading platform or by contacting Schwab's customer service. And after that, you can transfer fund to another Schwab brokerage account or to an external bank account. Withdrawing cash can have tax consequences, so consult with a financial advisor if needed. And if you have any other asset, you can also transfer them to another brokerage account. Once your account is completely empty and you have transferred or withdrawn your asset, contact Schwab to formally close your account. You may need to fill out form and potentially sign it depending on the account type. Also be aware of potential fees associated with closing an account, such as account maintenance fee or inactivity fee. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.